My name's Chastity. I am a nurse practitioner from St. Augustine Beach, Florida.
How's your experience been?
Amazing. I love R3 because not only do we get the didactic portion, but we get a ton of hands-on. We've been doing hands-on all day, which is amazing. I feel like I'm really getting the most for my money, and I'm getting a ton of experience that I can take to my practice, which is really exciting.
And you had a procedure done today as
I
well.
did. I did I had microneedling done yesterday, so that's why I'm a little red today. And then I also had the PDO threads, and I had them. I have two on either side, which is a really awesome procedure that I had not originally planned on bringing into my practice, but I think I am going to start doing this procedure at my practice now because I've had it done on myself, and I can see the results were pretty instant and pretty awesome. So I love that we get to do the joints and the stem cells and the PRP here, but we also get to do the aesthetics. So it's the best of both worlds.
So you feel like you have skills that you can take back to your practice immediately?
Absolutely. I actually just finished, I do joint injections currently at my practice, but I haven't done any shoulder injections. So I just worked with one of the doctors and did 2 back-to-back shoulder injections with his assistants, which was excellent. Great teacher, and I feel a lot more confident going back to my practice.